Finding a process server in Maurice Louisiana process server. 5 tips for hiring a qualified process server in Maurice, Louisiana. Are you in need of a process server in Maurice, Louisiana but don't know where to start? Look no further. This blog post will provide you with 5 tips to help you find and hire a qualified process server in your area. Tip number 1: check the applicable state and local rules. Each state has different rules and regulations regarding process serving. For example, some states require process servers to be licensed while others do not. It's important to familiarize yourself with the applicable rules in your state so that you can ensure you're hiring a qualified legal process server. Tip number 2: do your research. When it comes to finding a process server, it's important to do your research. Ask around for recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues who have used a process server in the past. Once you have a few names, take the time to read online reviews and check out the website of each potential candidate. This will give you a good sense of their business and whether or not they would be a good fit for your needs. Tip number 3: make sure they're insured and bonded. Before hiring a process server, be sure to check that they are insured and bonded. This protects you in case anything goes wrong during the service process. Most reputable companies will list this information on their website, but it's always good to double-check before making any final decisions. Tip number 4: confirm their rates. Another important factor to consider when choosing a process server is its rates. Some companies charge by the hour while others charge a flat fee for each service. Be sure to ask about rates upfront so there are no surprises later on down the line. Tip number 5: ask about their turnaround time. When you need a process server, chances are you're on a tight deadline. Be sure to confirm the company's turnaround time before making your decision so that you can be confident they'll be able to meet your needs. Hiring a process server doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to finding a qualified professional in no time at all. The individual speaking, Lafayette Process Servers LLC, is not a certified lawyer and cannot provide legal advice. The laws related to document serving differ from state to state. For more reliable information, listeners should contact their local lawyer for specific details.